Hi, Ethan. This is Jim Gillis with Win My Vote, and I don't know if you had time to look at the last video, but I figured I'd just do a group for you. If you want me to get rid of it, I can easily get rid of it. But the way it works is you form a page the same way you would build a Facebook page or a LinkedIn account or a Twitter account, and you can edit it right here real easily. You can add images or text or video. So this one will just use a video. Oops, sorry about that. And we'll use uh, this one right here from your YouTube channel, and you just click on the share uh, video, and you'll see that it will give you a share URL there, and then you just paste it right in here, and then it will play right here on your page.
So if a banker went,
And then this would be your Twitter account here, and we'll put that in real quickly. And then your tweets will show right here. So as a voter, if I select you as a trusted source and say, yeah, I want to see your videos and see what you're talking about, I can do that real easily by just clicking on this, and I'm in admin mode, so the voter obviously wouldn't see all these edit things. But I would just click on your star right here, and you would be added to my trusted sources. So I would then see all of your videos right on my ballot. So to give you an example of that, I'll switch back over as a voter. And here's my ballot. And as I were to go through the propositions, so for example, Proposition 51, I can see that these two groups and organizations are voting yes on Proposition 51. And here, if you were to be saying no on Proposition 51, I would see that right here. And I know that I just watched your video, so I know that you are saying no on Proposition 51. So it's as easy as doing this right here. I'll go to your group. I'll make the endorsement. It's going to be on state and local propositions. In California, it's going to be 51, and you're saying no on 51, and it says you want to do a written or a video, and we'll just use that same video because I think it is, sorry about that, I think it's yeah, it's this one right here. So I'll just go down and do a cut and paste on that, paste it in there, and then publish it. And now as a voter, when I'm at the proposition page on 51, I can see that these two groups are saying yes, and I can see that you are saying no, and I say, oh, let's check this out.
so if a banker went to a group of politicians, raised some money and said, hey, let's change the laws so I can funnel the taxpayers' money to me, you would think that would be a problem, right? Well, of local bonding issues, not one out of the gigantic bureaucratic hole called Sacramento, at least as far as the government goes. Nice city. Why do you want to centralize government like that? I am saying no on Proposition 51.
And I say I'm with you, and I click no on Proposition 51, and now when I go back to my ballot, it's nice and clear here that I'm voting no on Proposition 51, and then I can move on to the next propositions. And as you know, being here in San Francisco, between the propositions and the measures, this is like taking the state bar, maybe more challenging. Anyway, hope that helps, and would love to talk with you. And if you give me the green light, I can even grab all your videos and put those up there. There's two ways of having them seen by everybody. One is by you reaching out to your supporters and telling them to select you as a trusted source, so that they'll see all of your endorsements on both candidates and propositions and measures, and also for $129, we'll put you here on all of the ballots, whether the person selects you as a trusted source or not. And the reason that we're doing that is because there are some groups out there that that aren't going to be for everyone's taste. There's other groups that we think that even if you disagree with them, it should be not a problem at all to have them on your ballot. So I don't see, and even if they disagree with you, I don't see anybody having a problem with having your endorsements and recommendations as part of their ballot. So again, would love to talk with you about it. If, feel free to reach out via email or phone. I'm at 415-867-9554. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.